if you are doing any project, for example, for social media management or web development or construction project or maybe any production uh, uh, project in any firm. So what would be the activity list? It involves all the activities that you are going to do step by step. Okay, so for example, in production of any material or production of any product, you need to research what would be the quality of the product, what would be the size, how it works, what are the materials we need, and then how we make it step by step, and in which machinery, how much time it will take. So we need to describe all these detail in resource estimation. So activity list we need to make for this, then attributes, then activity cost estimate if available. As I have told you, if we are using any material, any supply, so we should get to know what would be the estimate of that material, what would be the cost of that product after the completion, after the production. So what would be the production cost? Then resource calendars showing availability of team members, contractor, equipment and facilities. So it means we are not giving the details of only material things, but again we are giving the details of team members, contractors, equipment and facilities. If we have 20-30 team members in our team and we are doing that project, so we need to allocate the resource who is going to do which thing and how we are utilizing the resources. So it would also be good to utilize the resources, utilize the human resources, how many team members we have and how many work we are giving to them. Similarly, contractors, if we are giving work to any third party, so who is that third party? Third party means like they are not the part of our company. If I have not enough resource, so I am giving that work to any third person. Okay, so they are usually known as contractors or third party contractors. In government organization, usually they also work like this. If they hire consultants for specialization of work, and they hire contractors and they give to them work and then pay to them after the completion of work, or like depends what how they deal with each other. So these are the contractors who work for any company. They are not the employees, but they work on some terms and conditions. And then equipment and facilities, as I have told you earlier, we need to estimate all the material, equipment and facilities. If we are working in any office, so what are the equipment we need, how many computers we need to do the project, what are the facilities we need to give. So we need to check all the things. Project risk register created in phase 2 of project management. So project risk register is in which we discuss the risk factor. What would be the risk of doing anything, and what would be like if there is any delay, or for example in human resource. In last week also we have discussed, for example, if our manager or team member got some emergency and they will not be able to do some work,